Yo, Grind Gang, what it do? It's your boy, Roll 100, and I'm back with another video for you. Hey, first of all, you already know I want to start off by saying I hope everybody is having a wonderful day, a beautiful afternoon, an excellent evening, whatever it is, wherever you at, whatever time it is you watching this video, I hope it's all good for you, real talk. So anyway, let's get right down to it. I've been getting a lot of requested videos for Instacart. While I still want to make some videos for Instacart, I'm only trying to make videos about particular topics. So if you have a particular topic that I have experience with, or I do experience, I will make a video relating to that topic to answer you guys' questions. But I still have other people who also watch this channel who are very interested in some of the other hustles that I do. Roadie, Grubhub, TaskRabbit, Postmates, DoorDash, Skip the Dishes, Instacart, Deliv, Amazon Flex, all of you guys that are drivers that follow me because you do one of those particular hustles or several of those hustles, I do want to make sure that I got some type of guide or, you know, just some help, some tips in all of those areas. Those of you guys who just do Instacart, please bear with me when I make those other videos. You know, this is a vlog channel and, you know, I'm just trying to help you guys out and show you what I'm doing so that we can not run across the same mistakes and try to learn from each other. Right now, I'm doing Instacart shop. You can see I'm doing BJ's Wholesale Club. It's like 5 items. I've delivered to this person a couple times before. Just make sure you guys are checking those notes and stuff like that when you're doing Instacart. It's very important. And I do got a video. Instacart sends some helpful information. Well, I would say it's helpful to the Grind Gang. We probably already been doing most of this stuff, but it's helpful to anybody that's new to Instacart or anybody that's really trying to learn how to increase and maximize and get the most out of their money. There's little things that you can do that will make it better for you. So anyway, I'm gonna go in here and do this BJ shop, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute. You already know what it is. It's your boy Roll 100. Remember, when you roll, make sure it's 100.
Ain't fucking nothing about